Hello and welcome to this session. Today I focus on using Docker Maven Image build Java Springboot project. I need a Maven Docker Image build Spring Microservice project. How to use Maven Docker Image build Springboot Microservice project. How to run Maven Image as non-root user. Why need a Maven Docker Image build Springboot Microservice project? What is Maven? Apache Maven is a cornerstone of Java deployment and the most used build management tool for Java. Springboot Microservice project is Java-based, so need build and then run. Before I created Springboot Microservice Docker Image, best practice are verify Java code, Maven build script, and the Docker Maven Image environment parameter setup in my local box use Docker Maven Image. Docker Maven Image can work as a build nodes in CI/CD process. Before build Springboot Microservice project, let me go over the microservice. The microservice has 5 APIs: get users, get user, create user, update user, delete user. The microservice data stored in the memory. So after restart microservice, all data lost. Let me start the project and test 2 of 5 APIs. The Springboot Microservice project in the root path port is 99999. First, try add user API. And then run get user API. Without parameter, the API return all user information. Running successfully. You can download the project from the URL in Git. Download the zip file. Upload the download source code to Meavn folder in my Linux box. Upload successfully. Let me open terminal and log in. First, get Docker Maven Image. Clean the screen. Go to Meavn folder. And then start Maven container to build. Docker container run, interactive mode, name, container name, Meavn001, mount, home, len, Meavn folder to container USR, src, my Maven folder. In your system, please change your login name. Minor W. W is a working folder. That means Maven command start point. Image name, version, Maven command clean package. Minor D, skip testing, means skip unit testing stage in Maven. Start. Build completed. Check build result. Go to target folder. The demo jar is build result. Check container log. Build success. Next, change code and rerun the container. Do small change and save. Clean screen. Start container to build the code. Did you find the difference between the first time container run and the second time container run? Second time container run quick than first time container run because Maven container do not need to download the dependency jar file again. That's why running so quick. Check result. Second build time only 2 seconds because container cached all dependent jar file in local. Since the container run as a root user, the target folder and its child file belong to the root user. Can I run Maven image as non-root user? Answer is yes. Before I run second demo, delete .m2 and the target folder. Because the folder owner is root, other user cannot change the file in the folder. Log in as root. Clean screen. Start my second demo. First step, get current user GUID. My current user GUID 1000. Clean screen. Second step, run container. Need mapping current user M2 folder to container/var/maven/.m2 folder. Also need mapping source code from local home ln Meavn folder to container usr/src my Maven folder. Working folder for Maven is /usr/rc/my Maven. Miner it miner automatic delete container after container stop. Specify user is current user 1000. Environment parameter for the Maven configure file location. Image tag, Maven command. Build successed. Check result. Jar file is created. I hope now you can use the Maven Docker image as a build tool in your projects. I will meet you in next episode of Docker.